Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use different fonts in HTML and CSS. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make a basic tag which says hello world. Now as you can see it uses a default font over here, and what we want to do is make it into a different font. So I'm going to go to fonts.google.com and you'll get to this website over here, and basically what it will do is it will allow us to use hundreds of different fonts. You can scroll through them here. So we're going to use one at the top called Roboto, and we're going to click on it, and now you get different styles. We're going to click on one at the top and click select this style. Now you can see here that there are two options. You can use a link tag or a style tag. We're going to use the link tag because that's the default one, and so we're going to highlight all of this text here and copy it. I'm going to go back and I'm going to put it over here. So you can see we've got the code there. But now we need to use it because that's imported it, but we need to allow it to be used on certain tags. So over here where it says font family, Roboto and sans serif, I'm going to copy it and paste it into our CSS. So we can put for all paragraph tags, font family, Roboto and sans serif. And now you can see here that it has changed font over here from the default one to Roboto. So that's how to use fonts in HTML and CSS. Thank you for watching.